Hello all. While working on schematics, one of the important section in the schematic sheet is the title block. So if you see here, this title block is very important. This can give a very important information on what this schematic is and who worked on this schematic, and basically the revision of the schematic, and then the number of sheets or the sheet number of the schematic along with the company logo. Everything can be included here, and this is very important as a part of clean schematics. So now in this video we will see how to edit these details in a KiCad schematic. So editing the contents of this block, you have to double click on that. Okay, and then what we can do is we can add the date and then revision number and then title of the schematic. And if you are working on for a specific company, you'll put your company name. If you are a hobbyist like me, so you can put your name here and any comments. Okay, and you can also put export other sheet so that it gets exported. So that is how you add the content, and you can see here whatever we have added: title, okay, and then date, and then the revision. All the three got updated. Now let us see how to add a logo or any other image to this particular location. So for this we have to go to place. Okay, bottom you will see add image, and you goes to the folder to in which already there is a image that is placed. So here we have our YouTube channel where to know image, and what we are doing is we are just double clicking it, selecting it, and place it here. Now you can adjust the size of this as per your requirement. Ensure that your resolution is not lost. So this is how we can add. Now if you save this, okay, these are saved, and the contents are there. So this is how we add contents to the title block of KiCad schematic. Thank you.